In this video, I will be showing you on how to get green joggers. Now, most of these methods do work for old and new gen consoles and PT as well, and also the female male character. I will let you know which one works for which. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight into the video. Now, for this method, you will need to bookmark the job link in the video description and restart your GTA 5 application afterwards, and it should be there. This works for the female male character. Now, go over to online, go over to bookmark jobs. And basically you will need to go over to your last team standing and start off the mission called the green joggers. Now accept the alert that shows on the screen. Now on the job menu like this, just invite at least one person to help you out. Go over to confirm settings and launch the mission. Now on the second job menu, it should be scuffed out like this. Now just both are already up so the mission can start. And basically once you do load in, you should have your saved outfit. Then eventually it should turn into the green joggers with the green bulletproof helmet like this. Now open up your interaction menu, go over to the style, go over to the accessories, and put on any gloves. Close the interaction menu, pull up your phone, and put the job to the jobs list to your phone. Now you should be loading into a random lobby like this. You should have the green bulletproof helmet and green joggers. As long as you save this as an outfit, you are able to change the outfit entirely. But yeah, let's move on to the other clothing glitch of this video. If you're wondering on how I got a high rank, $16 trillion, modded KDs, super fast run, all these modded outfits, and this modded account, well, I got this from hyperresupply.com. This is the #1 boosting platform for services for GTA 5 online. You can buy modded cars, modded outfits, modded accounts. If you want to add stuff onto your current account, they have stuff. They have all different types of accounts. And also, if you want to even save more money at checkout, use code REBEL to get 10% off your next order. Now this method only works for the female character, but the next method does work for the male and female character as well. Now you need to open up your pause menu, go over to online, go over to swap character, and accept that alert that shows up on the screen. Now you should be loading inside of a small room like this. Go over to the second slot character and push edit, and if it says something about copying a rank, copy the rank. Now on the edit part, make sure it's a male character on the second slot, and if it is, just go over to save and continue. And if it's a female character on the second slot, go over to the sex, put it a male, and push save and continue. Now you should be loaded into a random lobby like this. Just basically load inside of a invite only session afterwards, and once you do load in, go over to any clothing store on the map. Now once you're there, you will need to go over to the top section and remove the top off your male character like this. Now you will need to go over to the section called the tank tops and buy the white tank number 33. I'll go over to the skate shoes and buy the black skate shoes number 2. Now go over to the shorts and buy the white boxer shorts number 44. Now save your current outfit on the second outfit slot and just name it green. Now open up your interaction menu and choose the option to easy way out. And once you do spawn in, open up your pause menu, go over to online, go over to creator, and accept the alert that shows up on the screen. Now on this menu, go over to creator race, click tutorial, and accept the alert that shows up on the screen. Now open up your pause menu, go over to online, go over to choose character, and accept the alert that shows up on the screen. Now you should be loading inside of a small room like this. Go over to the second slot character, which is the male character, and delete him. Now go over to your character, which is on slot number 1, and return to the GTA 5 story mode. If you're on new gen, you could always, and if you're on new gen consoles, you can always join a random person in a different targeting mode. But if you're on old gen, you can just basically return to the GTA 5 story mode. Now once you're in story mode, basically open up your pause menu and load inside of an invite only session. And if you're on new gen and old gen, once you do load into a random lobby, go over to any clothing store on the map and save your current outfit on the front counter on the last outfit slot number 20. Now back out once, go over to the saved outfits and select the green saved outfit, and you are able to change the entire outfit and mess with it because it already saved basically. But yeah, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and share with your friends, and let's move on to the last glitch method of this video. I will be showing you on how to get the green joggers for the old and new gen consoles, and also this works for the male and female character. Now you will need at least one color joggers. It doesn't matter which color joggers it is, it will still work literally. Now you will need Netcut and 2 consoles, and basically make sure you have a color jogger outfit like this, and it should have nothing on except the color joggers like this. Now go over to the front counter and save this as an outfit on the first alpha slot and just name it C1. Now go over to the cargo pants and buy the blue digital cargo number 29. Now save this as an outfit on the second outfit slot and just name it C2. Now back out once and select the C1 saved outfit once. Now open up your interaction menu, exit the store, and equip the Israel Tube Bag on. Now wait for the orange loading screen to show up and disappear. Now if you do not have this Israel Tube Bag, you can always buy one at any ammunition store. Now after the orange loading screen shows up, go over to the Netcut, lock your primary console, and wait about 10 seconds after doing so. Now you will need to go over to console 2 and make sure you're in the same profile and load up the GTA 5 application. If you're on OGen, load into story mode, then a invite only session. And if you're on new gen consoles, just load into the main menu, then a public lobby afterwards. And if it says something about end session there for Xbox, just put end session there. Now once you do load in, just basically select the C2 saved outfit, wait for the orange loading screen to show up and disappear on console 2. Now if you're on OGen, load into story mode, and once you're in story mode afterwards, fully close out the GTA 5 application. And if you're on new gen consoles, just quit to the main menu, and once on the main menu, fully close out the GTA 5 application on console 2. Now you will need to go over to the Netcut and unlock your primary console. Then go over to console 1 and basically remove the Israel Tube Bag, and as always, wait for the orange loading screen to show up and disappear. And also if you're on OGen, just load into story mode, then once you're in story mode, load into an invite only session. And if you're on new gen consoles, just basically quit to the main menu. Just quit to the main menu, and once you're in the main menu, just load into a public lobby. And once you do load in and followed each step, you should load in and you should have the green joggers like this. As long as you save this as an outfit, the green joggers will forever stick. Now I post every single day as always. Catch you on tomorrow's video. Peace.